Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Abhishek Nandogarje and today date is 23 September 2024 and time is 9:30 pm. So my today's video topic is inheritance in Java using real life examples. So let's start with today's video. So first let's understand what is inheritance, types of inheritance, and after that then we see real life examples. So first start with what is meant inheritance. So inheritance in Java is um, one of main pillar of object-oriented programming. So in Java, inheritance is used to reuse the code it saves the multiple lines of code. Means inheritance means we can in that there are two participants. One is the subclass and another is the parent class or superclass. In that subclass access the properties from parent class or superclass. In that superclass is a superclass cannot inherit the properties from subclass or child class, but child class can access all the properties from superclass, and also it can add some its own properties also. Let's understand what are the different types of inheritance. There are 5 types of inheritance. First is a single level inheritance, second is multi-level inheritance, third is hybrid inheritance, fourth is hierarchical inheritance, and fifth one is multiple inheritance. So let's understand one by one. Let's first talk about single inheritance. In single inheritance, there are only one parent class and only one subclass. Means there are only two participants, parent class and child class. In that child class access the properties of parent class, and in that it also includes some of its own properties also. Let's talk about second type. So second type is multi-level inheritance. So in multi-level inheritance there are one parent class and multiple child classes. Means let's suppose there are parent class A, and there are two child class B and class C. Means class C inherit the properties from class B, and class B inherit the properties from class A. This is called as multi-level inheritance. So the third type is hybrid inheritance. So hybrid inheritance, it is a combination of multi-level and single level inheritance. Another type is hierarchical. Means in hierarchical there is a tree-like structure. Is in the hierarchical inheritance. And fifth one is a multiple inheritance. But in Java, multiple inheritance is not supported. So even if we wanted to implement the multiple inheritance, then we have to implement some another method or another some concept. Then we can implement the multiple inheritance. So now let's see one example. So where if we are a child from our parents, so whenever our parents we can inherit properties from our parents, and our parents they already inherited properties from their parents. So it is a real life example we can see. Means parent child relationship, means we can access the properties from our parents, and in that we can also add our own properties in parents properties also. This all are about inheritance, types of inheritance, and a real life example of inheritance. So there are some advantages of inheritance. So advantages of inheritance are it saves the time, it increases the code reusability, or it also saves the lines of code, save the multiple lines of codes, and we can also increase our code readability also. That's all for today's video. Thank you.